More than 500,000 SUVs are being urgently recalled, and if you drive one of them, you might not even know there's a safety issue inside your car right now. The problem isn't the engine, the brakes, or the airbags. It's something most drivers rarely think about: the seats. Safety regulators say a defect in the second-row seat locking system could prevent the seat backs from locking properly, which might increase the risk of injury in a serious crash. Because of this issue, Toyota Motor Corporation has announced a recall affecting over 550,000 vehicles in the United States, and thousands of owners could soon receive official notices. The recall includes 550,007 SUVs, specifically the popular Toyota Highlander and Toyota Highlander Hybrid models manufactured between 2021 and 2024. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the issue occurs when the second-row seats are adjusted. In some vehicles, the seat backs may fail to lock securely into place after being moved. At first glance, this might seem like a small mechanical issue, but experts warn that it could become dangerous in the event of a collision. If a seat back is not properly locked, it may not hold passengers securely during a crash, which could increase the chances of injury, especially at higher speeds. Toyota engineers trace the problem to components inside the seat recliner assemblies, where the return springs may not fully engage when the seat position is adjusted. Although the defect is expected to affect only a small number of vehicles, the company decided to recall all potentially impacted models as a precaution. To resolve the issue, Toyota dealerships will replace the return springs with improved parts designed to prevent the problem. The repair will be performed free of charge, and most fixes are expected to take a short amount of time. Owners of the affected SUVs will begin receiving notification letters in April, instructing them to bring their vehicles to an authorized dealership for inspection and repair. Drivers can also check whether their vehicle is included in the recall by entering their vehicle identification number in the official recall database. This announcement comes shortly after another recall involving the Toyota Prius and Toyota Prius Prime, where about 141,000 vehicles were recalled due to a defect that could allow rear doors to unexpectedly open while the vehicle was moving. While recalls can sound alarming, they are a common part of the automotive industry and are often issued to fix potential safety risks before they lead to serious accidents. For Toyota owners, checking whether their vehicle is affected and scheduling the free repair could help ensure the safety of everyone inside the car. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more latest car news, recalls, and important updates.